You know what the trouble is today?
Huh?
Trouble. What the trouble is today?
Oh, trouble.
Trouble? Don't talk to me about trouble. Do you know what the trouble is today?
There's some kind of trouble?
You betcha. The trouble is that people today don't know what they're doing.
Oh, that trouble.
Yes, sirree. They just don't know what they're doing. We knew what we were doing.
We did.
Of course we did. We knew what we were doing because that's all we did. We didn't do anything else. And when we were finished doing it, we were done.
We didn't have to do it anymore.
And it was okay if we had to do it all over again because we did it right the first time.
Yeah. You do it lately?
Nah, I'm done doing that.